Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Beikzadeh, and today I want to talk to you about an essential technique in the project management issues and quality system management. Dear friend, today I want to talk about drill down technique. This technique is look like cause and effect. It means both of them try to discover the main root of the problems. But an essential question, why we should use this technique? Please pay attention. Most of the time, those matters which are problematic for us, they are big and complex, and it's so difficult to deal with them. So we prefer, instead of dealing with a big and complex problem, we can deal with several smaller and simpler problems. It helps us to catch more details about them and divide it in some smaller and simpler factors. But what's the process of the drill down technique? The the first step of the process is to define the problem. You know that in a process we have different type of the problem. We need to select one of them and define it as a main problem. And after that, we need to make a team to work on that problem. It's the second step. The third step is to write down as a problem statement and also write some details, some uh, brief details about that problems. Please, in the next step, please try to find all of those factors which lead to that problem. And after that, try to analyze them and discover what's the root of those factors. By this method, at the end, we can find the root causes. This technique has a special chart. This chart is the drill down technique chart. Please pay attention. In the part of the problem outline, we should write the title of the main problem. In the middle part is related to factor. These parts are related to those factors which lead to the main problem. In the last part are related to elements. Elements are the root and the main causes of factors. Please pay attention. By using this technique, we can discover some roots, some reasons which are surprising for us. We've never thought about them. Also, it enables us to fix some essential issues. So it's a reason why drill down technique is an important technique for us. And another reason is that it's easy, it's not complex. Another important point, please pay attention. In the heart of this technique, we can use another technique too. That technique is the 5 why. In the last videos, if you remember, I told you in the cause and effect, we use the 5 why to catch the root of each problem. Here, we can do the same. By this technique, we can catch the root of the problems. But please pay attention. Some factors, some problems, they are simple. We don't need to use this why. But how we can understand it? We can understand by asking what time why. When we don't have any answer for that why, it means that that problem is simple. We don't need to go on and ask 5 times why. To do this technique, we need to pay attention to several topics, several points. The first one, this technique is not usable for different type of the problems. The second point, when we want to create a team to work on the problem, we should be sure all of the team members are knowledgeable and everyone is in the same page. Third point, we should keep going on by the 5 why technique so as to catch the root of the so as to catch the main root of the problem. It, but the question is that how we can understand that we receive the root, the main root, and the heart of the problems. If in a section we cannot answer the question of the why, it means that we catch the heart of the problem. It means that last step is the main root of the problems. So at the end, I like to mention one point more. Please pay attention. This technique can be used in all of the topics which are manageable. It can be used for all of the problems. We can discover the root of all of the problems by this method. Dear friend, it was a topic for today. I wish you enjoy my video. Please let me know about your feedback. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.